Little storyteller.
Leo, a boy with bright blue eyes and a smile as sunny as the dandelion in his hair, sat by a sparkling river. The water chuckled over smooth, colorful stones. Fluffy white clouds drifted lazily across the big blue sky. Leo held a perfect green leaf he had found. "I'll make a boat," he whispered. He carefully folded the leaf and poked a tiny twig through it for a mast. His little boat was ready. Just then, a water strider with long spindly legs zipped across the water's surface. It looked like it was skating. "Hello, Speedy Strider," Leo called. "Want to have a race?" Leo gently placed his leaf boat in the water. The Speedy Strider was already far ahead, its tiny legs a blur. "Wow, you are fast!" Leo giggled. He noticed that the water flowed faster near a big, mossy rock. He carefully guided his leaf boat towards that part of the stream. The faster current gently pushed Leo's little boat forward. The Speedy Strider was still moving very quickly, but now Leo's boat was catching up. The race was very close. The finish line was a patch of sunny yellow flowers on the other side of the riverbank. Just as they reached the sunny flowers, Leo's leaf boat and the Speedy Water Strider arrived at almost the same time. "We tied!" Leo exclaimed happily. The Water Strider wiggled its long legs, as if it was smiling too. Leo smiled. He learned that even if someone is very fast, knowing a little something can help you keep up.
Please subscribe. Thank you.